Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Practice. I'm your host, your name, and today we'll talk about one of the best ways to improve your English speaking, the shadowing technique. So, what is shadowing? Shadowing means listening and speaking at the same time. You listen to a native English speaker and immediately try to repeat what they say, copying their pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. Let's try a quick example. I'll say a short sentence, and you repeat after me, right away without pausing. Ready? I'm learning English every single day. Repeat. Speaking practice makes me more confident. Repeat. Good job. Now, here's how you can practice shadowing at home. 1. Choose short audio clips, like from podcasts, movies, or YouTube. 2. Listen carefully once. 3. Play again and repeat immediately. Copy the speaker's voice, tone, and speed. 4. Record